In this video, I'll show you how to add a reread on StoryGraph. First, open the StoryGraph app. To view the books you've already finished, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you see the list of books you've recently read. Tap on the book you want to reread. On the Books page, tap on the three dots with the drop-down menu. Then select the View or Edit Read History option. This will open a section where you can see when you initially started and finished reading the book. If you've completed this book more than once, you'll want to add a second read to reflect that. To do this, scroll down and add the start and finish dates for your second read. Only add these dates if you've already finished reading the book a second time. After entering the dates, tap on Add Reread. The app will now reflect that you've read the book twice. If you're currently in the middle of a second read and haven't finished yet, you can still mark that. Return to the book's main page and tap on the drop-down menu. Then select Currently Reading. This updates your account to show that you're rereading the book. When you go back to your profile and scroll down, you'll still see the book listed in your Read section from the first time you finished it. But if you also check your home page and refresh the page, you'll now see the same book listed under your current reads as well, indicating that you're reading it again. And that's how you can add a reread on StoryGraph.